yourself, look at your age, look at how young you are. This is the future. You are the future. So, I want you brothers and sisters to look at this election. I want you to look at this election as an opportunity for us to change our lives and the lives of our people forever. I know all of you who are here, have never seen another president in your life. Only one man and his family. 40 years, one man is the president. His wife is minister for education. His son is a head of the military. His brother controls the money. One family for 40 years, 40 painful years. Now let me tell you, listen to me, my brothers and sisters. The only way they do that, they behave like the colonialists. When the colonialists came to Africa, they pick some of the people we respect and trust. They use those people to steal us, to lie to us, and to brainwash us. Let me tell you, my brothers and sisters, when they pick one about and make him rich, when they pick a fox and make them rich, they don't care whether your children don't go to school, they don't care whether you are poor, they don't care whether your roads are bad. Something I want to ask you. Do you want champagne for one of us, or do you want clean water for everybody in Tororo? Let me ask you again. Do you want one big car for folks or day, or good roads for everybody in Tororo? Let me ask you one question. Do you want 4 or 5 children from Tororo, children of those powerful people from NRM, to go and study in Kampala, or you want good and open schools for every child here in Tororo? My friends, we need to now, that is why I'm here, my brothers and sisters. I am here to tell you about a new Uganda where we are going to change everything. We are going to turn things upside down. The poor will become rich, and the rich will also be like the poor. Yes, we can have good roads and we are going to have those good roads. We can have good hospitals and we are going to have those good hospitals. But for us to get there, you are the key. I am telling you, you are the key. I want you to understand that you have the power. Every 5 years, they come to you, they give you a yellow t-shirt, they give you 10,000, 20,000, 50,000. They bring police to surround you so that you can vote for them and they have power over you for another 5 years. Bino mi win pese moro garana mi wino mi wichumbi mi winango dogo juruenya ruenya swa ora beach wili nani bero garate. I have good news for you. When I look at you, I see so many questions. When I look in your eyes, I see dreams.